Let's talk about DSers Chrome Extension. This is really going to be the definitive guide about this tool, and which you will really want to use if you are into a DSers dropshipping app at all. Okay, so here's a review I want you to pay attention to. So let's quickly define what we're speaking about here. So DSers is a dropshipping tool that allows users to find the hottest products and automatically add them to their store. So with DSers, you can automate your entire dropshipping business from product research to order fulfillment. So this is really great. The best part is that DSers Chrome Extension is free to use and available on the Google Chrome Web Store. So if you're looking for ways to automate your dropshipping business, this is a great tool to kind of have. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here to quickly exchange with you about the DSers Chrome Extension. So how do you actually connect your Shopify store to DSers? So it's important to understand that you basically go to DSers official website and you create your account. So once you've done that, you'll need to install the app in your Shopify store, because without it, you cannot use the DSers Chrome Extension. So what you want to do is you want to head over to the Shopify search bar right now and you want to type DSers. Okay, this is kind of important. And now simply follow the steps on the screen right now to install the app. So number one, you want to click on the Add App button and you will be redirected to the installation page. After that, you want to click on the Install App button and you will be asked to enter your store's URL. So once you have done that, click on the Install DSers button and you are all set. Very, very simple. So now that you have installed DSers, it's time to connect the DSers Chrome Extension with your DSers account. So this is kind of cool. So first, make sure you are logged into your DSers account. You need to create a DSers account though. Okay. Second, you want to go to DSers official website and click on the Chrome Extension tab. And third, you want to click on the Add to Chrome button and you will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store to download the latest version. Fourth, you want to click on the Add Extension button and you are all set. Very, very simple. Now that you have installed and connected the DSers Chrome Extension with your DSers account, it's really time to start using it. And once you have installed and connected your DSers account, you are ready to start using the DSers Chrome Extension ASAP, like immediately. Here are the steps I want you to follow right now. So how do you use the DSers Chrome Extension? Now, first you want to go to Google Chrome Web Store and search for DSers. Next, click on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension in the pop-up window. Now the DSers Chrome Extension will be added to your browser. Just ensure to pin the DSers extension by clicking on the jigsaw icon next to DSers in your Chrome browser. And so to start using DSers, simply click on the DSers extension and log into your DSers account. And you'll be able to see all the features of DSers, including Product Finder, the tracking order status in real time, and much more. So everything starts with you logging into your DSers account. So it's important. Now let me quickly go through some of the features you will see if you actually use the DSers Chrome Extension. So to add products, you have 4 options. So number one, you can copy and paste the product link into the search bar. So this is actually the quickest way to add products since you don't have to leave the page you're on. Simply copy the product URL from AliExpress and paste it into the DSers search bar. What will happen here is that DSers will automatically fetch all the product information such as title, description, image, and pricing. So once DSers has fetched the product information, you can edit it before adding it to the product, before adding the product to your DSers account. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're still having a conversation about DSers Chrome Extension. This is actually the ultimate guide for you to have a clear idea of what the tool is all about. So number one, copy and paste the product link into the search bar. Number two, you want to type in the keywords of the product you want to sell in the search bar. So if you don't have the product URL handy, you can also search for products by keywords. So DSers will show you a list of products that match your keywords. You can then select the product you want to add to DSers and edit the product information before adding it to your DSers account. Then you have the bulk product imports. So DSers also allows you to add products in bulk. Okay, this is kind of cool. So to add products in bulk, click on the Push to Shopify button as shown in the images on the screen right now. So this feature is useful if you want to add products that you have already done your due diligence on. For example, you may have a list of products from a supplier that you want to add to DSers. Let's talk about Supplier Optimizer. So this is one of our favorite feature in DSers. If you don't know the name of a product you might have found on the web, you can upload a picture to DSers, and DSers will show you a list of products that are either the same or look similar to the one in the image. So this is an incredibly powerful feature because it allows you to find products on AliExpress that you may not be able to find using keywords. And to use this feature, click on the Supplier Optimizer button in the DSers Chrome Extension as shown in images on the screen. Next, you'll be able to upload an image of the products you are looking for. So if, for example, you found a product on Instagram, you can take a screenshot of it and upload it to DSers. DSers will then show you a list of products that look similar to the one in the image. You can then select the products you want to add to DSers and edit the product information before adding it to your DSers account. What about using the Add to DSers button? The cool thing is that DSers also has an Add to DSers button on AliExpress. Okay, but the thing is, to use this feature, you have to be ready because you simply want to click on the Add to DSers button on any product page on AliExpress. And what we have found in our analysis here is that this feature is useful if you want to, let's say you want to select products individually without having to leave the page, for example. And so what you want to do is you just want to click the other import options. So once you do this, DSers will automatically fetch all the product information such as title, description, image, and pricing. So, and these things go real fast, and you will then need to edit those product descriptions, which we really highly recommend you do anyway. In fact, if you're just starting out dropshipping, we recommend that you actually make sure that you pay attention to a step-by-step that we actually have covered on other shows. But it's all about having all the steps you need to do, like everything you need to do before building your dropshipping store. And if you want to build your dropshipping store from the get-go, you want to do it the right way. You got to really go through a checklist from branding to order fulfillment. Let me give you the overview I want you to pay attention to. So the thing is, what are the features of DSers Chrome Extension? What should you be looking forward to? So first of all, you have the keyword product research. So DSers allows you to search for products using keywords. So this makes it a lot easier to find the exact product you are looking for without having to sort through pages of results, okay? And what will happen here is that to use this feature, simply type in the keywords of the product you are looking for in the DSers search bar, and the platform automatically will start searching. And DSers will then show you a list of products that match your keywords. It's all about synchronicity. So if make sure that the match is kind of high, like because sometimes DSers will show you something that's like 70% or 80%, whatever. Make sure that it's closer to 99%. Okay, and so once you have that, you can then select the product you want to add to DSers and edit the product information before adding it to your DSers account. By the way, boss, I want to quickly again just remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about DSers Chrome Extension. This is the ultimate guide. So besides the keyword product research, you also have stock management. Again, I'm just giving you the features that are important when it comes to DSers. So with stock management, what happens here is that DSers provides real-time updates on product stock levels, so you can be sure that the products you are interested in are still available. And to use this feature, simply click on the setting as shown on the image on the screen right now. And what will happen here is that from there you can enable or disable, for that matter, product stock alerts. So when product stock alerts are enabled, DSers will send you an email notification when the product stock levels change. Now it's all about inventory management. So if you are in an industry, let's say you are in an industry, you are serving a niche that really cares about timing and that cares about seasonality, that cares about cyclicality, then you want to have a feature like this, because this will help you maximize sales throughout the year. Because there are some periods, some months of the year where you're not going to make you may not make any sale on your dropshipping business, and there are other months where you'll be making like bank. But it's always important to understand the timing aspect of those things. I want to talk to you about order tracking. So whenever you dropship products, right, there are apps whose sole purpose is to track the order. So DSers provide users with end-to-end tracking for their orders. That means you can track your orders from the moment you place them until they are delivered to your customers from the same platform. This is really huge, because think about it. If you, let's say you place an order on AliExpress, and DSers tells you exactly where it is every step of the way, and you won't have to use any other app to track your orders or research products, leading you to a faster store loading speed. Okay, and this is really good. And also, DSers allows you to search for the orders in DSers by on their platform by the order number, the email, the tracking number. So DSers is constantly adding new features to its platform to make sure it's a lot easier for users to source products and run their stores on. You also can use DSers to find suppliers. I'm talking about the DSers Chrome Extension. So this feature allows you to select a category of products based on different categories. And it really, the main one will be useful to dropshippers are winning products and cost effective. So you want to have affordable products and winning products. And I mean, you can also filter the results by newest, order, and price. So why are those two categories mentioned earlier relevant? Well, first of all, as a dropshipper, you are constantly looking for winning products, because you want products that will sell. Otherwise, why would you actually go through the pain of having it? DSers takes the guesswork out of finding those winning products by showing you which products are selling well and are worthwhile your time. So DSers knows knows what products are selling well, but it also knows how to find suppliers who can provide those products at a good price. That's why DSers has implemented those two categories. Also, DSers offers a built-in email center support that makes it a lot easier to stay in touch with suppliers, track your orders, and search for better or cheaper suppliers. So you can see here that DSers also has I would say an all-in-one solution for finding suppliers and actually cultivating a great relationship with those suppliers. Let me quickly talk to you about the pro tips here. So when we talk about DSers Chrome Extension, it's important to understand that you can manage your DSers account with the extension. So DSers offers a free and paid subscription. So the DSers extension is only available for Google Chrome, which means you can use it on any computer or laptop as long as you are using the Chrome browser or a browser that supports the Chrome Web Store. So if you are on a DSers paid subscription, you can access all the features of DSers from the extension. If you are on a DSers basic plan, you can only use the DSers extension to place orders. And so does DSers work with WooCommerce? Yes. So DSers does work with WooCommerce. I'm very happy to say that. In fact, DSers is one of the most popular WooCommerce extensions. So DSers has a lot of features that make it perfect for use with WooCommerce, including DSers can help you manage your WooCommerce inventory, can automate your WooCommerce orders, can help you optimize your WooCommerce shipping, and can help you save time on your WooCommerce operations. So the bottom line here is that you have a constellation of benefits that the DSers is giving to WooCommerce users. And so there are alternatives to DSers Chrome Extension. So you have Ali Scraper by Spocket, by the way. You have Ali Dropship. You have Hyper SKU. We have actually covered all those players in other shows. And when we talk about Spocket, for example, Spocket is a great DS alternatives. So if you want to ship products from the US and the EU within 2 to 5 days shipping time, you may want to consider Spocket. And some of the key features of Spocket's Chrome Extension offers are that you have automated order fulfillment, a wide range of products, you have custom pricing, and then you have USA and EU product sourcing. This is a biggie, especially if you want to sell product like quality products and you are really worried about the 30-day or 45 days. It usually takes DSers to come to actually for AliExpress products to come to you, and so it's important. And some of the features that we love with Ali Dropship, for example, is that you have product sourcing, automated order fulfillment, inventory management. So again, the bottom line here is you have a lot of players. DSers is not the only one. Here's a winning strategy for you. So it's important to understand that DSers Chrome Extension is a dropshipping tool that allows you as a user to find great products and automatically add them to your store. And so you can use the feature that DSers has put in place to migrate your products from Oberlo, for example. And remember that their amazing customer support Facebook chat is there if you have questions. You're not going to get anybody on the phone for now, but did you have that service? And you want to check products that are selling well. Yeah, because you want to make sure that you are basically selling something that is winning. And before pushing the products to your dropshipping store, don't forget to edit the product descriptions, so that way you'll have a better job in terms of managing things from the get-go, but afterwards. And so one thing I want to say here is that if you're looking for an edge in your business, make sure to add the DSers Chrome extension to your toolkit. And this extension, for all intents and purposes, has tons of features that will save you a lot of time. Okay, and I've shown you in today's conversation how you can save money, how you can actually go through the process, how you can learn from the process, and how you can improve your own dropshipping business. If you are a dropshipper right now, you're listening to me, and maybe this is a great wake-up call for you to actually do the work that needs to be done to get your dropship business to the next level. One thing I also want to say here is that when we pay attention to DSers Chrome Extension, we pay specific attention to his ability to grow the business. So we're speaking about small business administration, because right now the company has received a lot of latitude, a lot of limelight. But right now the actual work needs to start, because if to convince all the DSers customers to use the DSers Chrome Extension, it will take some time, but it would definitely get there if you are able to do things now. In other words, you're able to find exactly whether or not DSers is the best app for you. And the good thing is, if you don't like DSers for any reason, you can always go on on Shopify, the app market, and see what really is out there. Okay, you have Dobuy, you have Spocket, you have other players. So it's all about giving chances to anybody who is willing to basically use the DSers Chrome extension properly. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I was quickly talking to you about the DSers Chrome extension. I'll give you the review, the steps, the overview, the pro tips, and the winner. Thank you. God bless you. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.